Do you like learning in English and in Spanish?
Yes, I like to talk in English and Spanish.
The dual language program in Garland ISD, it benefits the kids tremendously. It benefits them because it provides them with academics in their native language and also academics in a second language. In this case, is English. The kids are developing both languages at the same time.
If someone speaks in English, I can tell them in English what they want. And if they speak in Spanish, I can tell them in Spanish what they want.
I feel like their vocabulary has growth like a lot because even from Spanish to English, they're able to go back and forth and make those connections. It's like we're making the bridges for them.
Garland ISD is so excited to give you a peek into what's going on in our OneWay dual language classrooms. The OneWay dual language program is an enrichment model where children are developing their ability to speak, read, write, and understand concepts in both English and Spanish in all content areas.
Una de las áreas donde más batallamos siempre es el vocabulario, donde es muy difícil para los niños, pero cuando están siendo expuestos en español y luego en inglés, y puede ser la misma palabra, solo en dos idiomas diferentes, los estás exponiendo a dos escenarios diferentes que les está proveyendo nuevas experiencias de dos diferentes maneras, entonces empiezan a hacer las conexiones.
My favorite subject is math.
Matemáticas porque puedes aprender más números, más multiplicación, más división.
Matemáticas y lectura.
I like math and I like coming to my school because we learn a lot of things.
In pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade, students receive Spanish instruction in reading, writing, social studies, and science. And they receive English instruction in math. In second through fifth grade, students also begin to receive English instruction in reading and writing. Research shows that most students who learn in two languages perform better academically. The OneWay dual language program is for native Spanish speakers. It fosters the maintenance and love of the students' culture and Spanish language, in addition to the development of the English language. Certified teachers deliver high-level academic instruction in English and Spanish to address the social, emotional, and academic needs of all children who are learning in two languages.
Los dos lenguajes se desarrollarán al mismo tiempo, pero no solamente socialmente, sino académicamente, usando lo que son sus tradiciones culturales y la familia, la comunidad en el salón de clase.
Thank you for joining us on our mission to provide an exceptional education for all of our students.